Hi everyone, in today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to use the keyframing in Filmora to create a smooth custom animation in just a few clicks. Let's get started. First, all you need to do is to open your project in Filmora and then import your clip into the timeline. Now select the clip you want to animate to just go to the animation tab in the top menu. And then here in the animation tab, you can click on customize, then move the playhead to where you want the animation to start. You can also click add to set your first keyframe. Now move a playhead ahead forward a few seconds. Then you can adjust the clip scale, position, and rotation. And then the Filmora will automatically add a new keyframe. You'll see an animation that takes shape as you preview it. And if you want a smoother effects, you can drag the keyframes closer or farther to speed up or slow down the animation. You can also add a multiple keyframes for a complex motion like zooming while rotating or panning side to side. And that's how easy it is to animate a keyframe in Filmora. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if you want a tutorial next time. Thanks for watching.